Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be talking about why the window glass is stuck down and stuck up. But before we go on with this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, click on the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video. Yes, this is the button of the first one from the driver side is the one that got stuck, and there is, if you check, I'll just open it, there is a lot of connectors and wire, and you have to do carefully to fix this. It's very simple. You just have to, this is for the side mirror, that's the switch I'm touching, and this is for the control for the 4-door, that is the automatic. And the one, yes, this one is the one for the window that is stuck. So sorry guys, so you just have to remove the unclip the switch and clip it back, or if you have a cap cleaner, you can use it to clean it and fix it back, and this will be fixed. So I hope you learned from this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.